Is your Windows PC frozen and nothing is responding, not even the task manager? Before you hold the power button, I'll show you how to create an emergency restart shortcut that instantly reboots your system in one click. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to create the emergency restart shortcut, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration, okay? So to get started, I'm going to open my virtual machine which I've launched already. And then to create the shortcut, you're going to right click on an empty space on your desktop. Then we go to new and then shortcut. So at the location, I'm going to type shutdown space /r space /f space /t and then space 0, okay? Then I'll click on next. So I'm going to name my shortcut emergency restart. Then I click on finish. So I'm going to change the icon of my emergency restart. So I'm going to right click on the shortcut. Then I go to properties. Then I click on change icon. So I'm going to click on OK. And then I'm going to select this power icon, okay? Then I click on OK. So now we have to run this with administrator's privilege, okay? So to do that, I'm going to click on advanced. Then I'll check the box for run as administrator. Then I click on OK. And also I want to create a shortcut for my emergency restart. So to do that, at the shortcut key, you're going to click inside and then you press the shortcut key you want to use, okay? In my case, I'm going to use Control Alt and then R for restart. Then I'll click on apply and then OK. So supposing I have issue with my PC and I want to restart, either I'll double click on the emergency restart. I'm going to use the shortcut, okay? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use the shortcut key to restart the system and then we see the outcome. So I'm going to press the Control, Alt and then R and then let's see. Do you want to allow these apps to make changes? Yes. So now you see the PC is restarting, okay? So supposing your PC is frozen and nothing seems to be working, nothing is working, even the task manager is not working, you can use the emergency restart to restart your PC as soon as possible, okay? So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.